Myself, Mayuresh Choudhary from Maharashtra, India, and today I'm going to tell you about the CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, final project of mine, and which is nothing but the online paper checking system or the software. So, short introduction about this program is it helps faculty or teacher for the faster online paper evaluation. It checks students' answer sheets with the answer key, and the score is generated. But not only the score, also the final report for the faculty is generated, and it provides other option also to view this final report on the terminal screen in the form of tables. And also it comes with an option for faculty where can generate a certificate for each and every student. It has a condition if the percentage of that student is equal to or more than 60%. So we will just see how this system works, program works. So this is the welcome screen generated by the program. It first asks for the would you like to continue? Yes, we would like to continue. And it asks for the profile creation of the faculty. So I will just input my name and other details, a course name, and yes, it comes with the main menu now, where it provides multiple options like check paper, view final report, and generate certificate. So for now I will go with the first option, which is to check paper, and I will just input all the files name. So the student.csv file is here. We can see that it contains all the information like role name, grade, birth of the student. So here we have 9 students, and answer key. This is the txt file. In these are the options that are correct options, and which is the answer key. So I will just submit it. And students folder. The path of students folder means folder in which all the individual students folder have been created or stored, and this individual students folder contains an answer sheet, uh, means their options, their submitted options, and at the first line their roll number. So if I just submit it, the process is started, and it says that the final reports are generated. So if you just look at this here, so it says that a score report.txt file is generated, which is nothing but the individual information file name which contains this basic information for each student. And for now we will go with the second option, which is to view final report. So here, as the final report.csv file was not created and it was created after I run the first option, so this we can see in the form of table on the terminal. And for now we will generate a certificate for each and every student who have scored equal or more than 60%, and it says that certificates are generated successfully. Yes, we can see that for each student certificates have been generated, and for third student we see that no certificates have been generated. So if we just see that as its percentage are less than 60%, so certificates have been not generated for this user. And if you just look at the certificate of other student, so this is a certificate generated for this particular student with the name and this congratulation message over here, and from faculty name from whose this awarded certificate is awarded to this student. And the last comes here the fourth option, to exit the program. Yes, after the evaluation we can just exit the program, and here there is the test file, which is nothing but the test project file. And after running this file we get that all the necessary uh, functions have passed the test, and we get this was all about my CS50's introduction to programming with Python's final project. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.